Good morning, children. I'm Purnima. I welcome you all to my English class. And now I'm going to tell you what is a notice. In fact, I'm going to continue what is a notice writing in my previous video. I've already told that what is a notice. So, a notice is a written or printed piece of information. So, what is a notice? It is a written or printed piece of information. A notice may contain news or information. So children, what does a notice contain? It may contain a news or information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. So children, it contains news or information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. It may be a formal announcement of public importance or an advance warning meant for compliance and information. Now, purpose. What is the purpose for writing a notice? Purpose for writing a notice is to give information. A small information is given to a maximum number of people through notices. And a notice should be clear to the point. To the point, that means it should be relevant and brief. Now children, where do we display notice? I already told you we display notice in school notices board or in colleges notice board, then in the newspaper or magazines, then public notice boards. And children, what is the main characteristic of notice? Main characteristic of notice is that it should have a proper format with a date, notice in the center, heading, writer's names, designation. Then children, its content should be having the full information. In the beginning only we write in the content that what is the purpose for writing notice, and after that children, we write a lot of the whole full information, like we have to make question with what, when, where, how. Then expression, it relates to the overall organization and relevance of the contents as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. Okay, now children, I will be telling you the important characteristic of school notices. So first of all, it should contain all the important information. The order of presentation should be clear. Then you have to state the purpose of the notice very clearly. The first line should tell you that this notice is about what. Suppose if a debate competition is going to be held in your school on 1st November, so in the very first line you have to write all the students are going to be informed that a debate competition is going to be held in our school on 1st November. That means very first line, and with the heading also a person should know that what this notice is about. Then children, no personal language should be there in notice. No personal touch should be there in notice. Then all the necessary information should be there in brief, like at what time, day, date, venue. Okay, all that. Then at the last, the name of the person who is writing the notice as well as his designation should be there. The date of writing, the date on which the notice is published or is given should be written at the top left hand corner. Then children, according to CBSE, the rule has been fixed. That means the word limit has been decided at how much word limit should a notice have. So it should have a 50 word limit. Okay, 50 words limit should be there. So yesterday I have told you about cultural and academic activities notices. Then children, a notice is there related with new uniform of the school. Suppose if a school is introducing a new uniform, so how a person should write a notice. So this is a general way I'm giving you, that first of all you have to write the name of, to draw a box. Drawing a box is also in the format. Suppose if you have written a good notice, a very nice notice, but you haven't drawn the box, so your 1 marks or half marks will be cut. So that drawing of the box will be in the format itself. So on behalf of the principal of your school, write a notice regarding implementation of a new school uniform in your school. Mention the given guidelines for purchasing new uniform and relaxation given to student of some classes. Write the notice in not more than 50 words. Okay. So if such type of notice will come, so definitely you have to write the name of the institution. What is the format first of all of notice writing? So format for notice writing is name of the, you have to leave the, draw a box, leave the first line, and then in the second line you have to write the name of the institution along with the place. Then you have to write students notice, and of course then you have to write the heading at the left hand side. You have to write the date. Of course children, the heading should be written, the notice heading and the name of the institution should be written in capital letter. Then you have to write the notice in 50 words. Okay, and of course at the last you have to write the name of the person you have written the notice and designation, or the name of the person who is telling about the notice. So this is the this will be in the content. So for how you will write, if the name of the school is there, then okay, it's okay. So here the name of the institution is not mentioned, so you can write the name of any institution like Army Public School, Varanasi. Okay, and then in the center, in the third line you have to write notice with a capital letter. Then in the fourth line you have to write new uniform, and at the left hand side you have to write the date of today, that is 28 November 28 October 2020. Okay, then you have to write it is hereby to inform all the students and the parents that the school management committee has decided to change the uniform of the students to meet with the climatic condition pertaining to this area. For the newly admitted student, it is mandatory, but for the other, it will be mandatory from 1st August 2017. Refer to the notice board for sample of the same or contact the undersigned. Then you have to write children, Mr. So and so or Mrs. So and so. Okay, the principal. Okay, so in this way you can see how a notice is written for the change of the uniform. Now, then children, yesterday we have discussed about debate competition, then in a new school uniform. Suppose children, you are Praveen or Pratibha, and as a secretary science club of your school, write a notice informing students about an inter-school science exhibition and encouraging them to participate in it. So you have to write about inter-school science exhibition and encouraging them to participate in it. So if the name of the school is there, otherwise you can write the name of any other school. So first of all you have to draw the box and leave one line. In the second line you have to write Army Public School, Varanasi. Then notice, and then you can write inter school science exhibition. Then here you can write the date also. Today is 28 November and then leave one line, and you have to start your notice from here. And how you are going to start? With the simple language. All the students are hereby informed that an inter-school science exhibition is going to take place in our school, and the student who are bright, enterprising and intelligent science student, they are invited to participate in the inter-school science exhibition to be held in Sophia School next month. So that this is clear that inter-school science exhibition is not in your school. Submits your charts, models, project by 1st November. Appear before a screening committee on 30 October 2020 at 11 a.m. in the activity room of your school. And then you have to leave one line. At the left hand side you have to write Praveen or Pratibha, and who is he? He is the secretary. So you have to write it here, Praveen or Pratibha, and here secretary. So then you have to close your box, children. Then afterward you have to close your box. Now, so you can see, children, how the notice of event and that is written here. And now, children, we will be doing some notice related with lost and found. So children, I'm going to do one notice with lost and found. In lost and found, children, the only difference is that of the notices of lost and found, that heading is not written here. Okay, heading is not written here. It is written here lost, 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 and found, found, found. So you can see, children. Okay, so first of all you have to write the name of the institution, then you have to write then you have to write notice, and then, children, at 3 places, at the left hand side and right hand side and in the center, you have to write lost, lost, lost. Similarly, you have to write found, 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 found in the notice of found. So we are doing one lost notice I'm going to do with you, and one notice I'm going to do related with found. So let's read here that you lost, see the question, you lost your wristwatch in your school assembly ground. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board giving a detailed description of the watch. You are Anirudh Arundhati of class 12 of Springfield School, Pune. So here the name of the institution is written there. Okay. So while writing this type of notice, you have to write the name of the institution first, and here the name of the institution is already given. Leave one line, and then in the second line you have to write Springfield School, P-U-N-E, Pune. Okay, then in the second line you have to write notice. Here you can write date and then, children, you can write here only 3 words: lost, exclamatory marks, lost, exclamatory marks, lost, exclamatory mark. So you can see first, second and 3, left hand side, right hand side, and in the center I have written the word lost. Okay, and then, children, again in the same manner you can start your notice that all the students are hereby informed that I lost my wristwatch in the school assembly ground while playing. It is a Swiss military watch. Then you have to children give some clue that what type of watch it was. So it was a Swiss military watch with a stainless steel chain and a red cross mark imprinted on the dial at the bottom. The finder will be given a good treat. Kindly contact the undersigned. Okay, and then you have to write Anirudh. Okay, so the same thing, children, you have to write all the students are hereby informed that while playing on the school playground, I have lost my watch. It is a Swiss military watch with a stainless steel chain. You can write anything. It is having a brown color strap, okay, or with a round dial. Anything you can write. Okay, that means you have to give hint. You have to make sure to the other student that it certainly was your watch only. Okay, and like any red cross marks imprinted on the dial of the at the bottom. Then children, the finder will be given a suitable reward or a good treat. Kindly contact the undersigned Anirudhiti, okay, or Anirudh. If you're a boy, you have to write Anirudh. If you're a girl, you have to write Arundhati. And then children, in this type of notice, you don't have to write any designation. Only a designation you have to write here is class and section. That's all. You only have to write your class and section. That's all. Okay. So I think now you understood. So you have to write the name here. After writing it, then you have to write your name and your class and section. Then you have to close the box. Okay. Then children, similarly you have to write a notice about find it also, that like you are Mahinder Singh of class 12, you found a purse in the school library. Write a notice for the school notice board of your school inviting its rightful owner to furnish necessary details to claim it back from you. Okay. So children, again the name of the school is not there. So if the name of the school is not there, then you only have to write the name of any other school. Okay, in the notice of found also, your notice will start with the name of any school. Like in this question, the name of the school is not there, so you will write the name of your school. Then notice, and then similarly like lost, you have to write found and found. Okay, so you can see in the first line nothing is written. In the second line, Army Public School Varanasi, then you have to write that in the capital letter. Then notice you have to write with the capital letter, and then you can see found 3 times is written in the right hand side, in the left hand side, in the center, along with the exclamatory mark. Okay, and children, then the same manner you will be starting your notice. All right. So how you are going to start your notice? All the students are hereby informed. Okay, all the students are hereby informed that I found a purse lying on the floor in the library hall. I found a purse lying on the floor on the library hall on 20 August to on you can write yesterday's date on 27th October 2020 at, then you have to write the time, at 2 p.m. Then you have to write, children, the genuine owner of the purse, the genuine owner of the purse can claim it back, can claim it back from the undersigned. Claim it back from whom? From the undersigned. Now children, when you write undersigned, ed is added with that word undersigned, and that word is this, the word which is written here. Okay, the name and the designation, those are the people who are known as undersigned. That means the people whose signed is under this notice. You have to see that. So the genuine owner of the purse can claim it back from the undersigned after giving necessary particulars about the purse and its content. So how you are going to write? The genuine owner of the purse can claim it back from the undersigned, okay, after giving necessary particulars about the purse and its contents. Now, who is the person here undersigned? Here, the person who is undersigned after writing the notice in 50 word is Mohinder Singh. And children, the class is there and section you have to write. So children, remember children, whenever we write notice of lost and found, we don't have to write heading. And for lost notice, you have to write lost, lost, lost 3 times. And for found notice, you have to write found, found, found 3 times. And children, in the undersigned, you have to write the name of the person who has written the notice. And then of course children, you have to write the name of the undersigned along with the class and section, because a student don't have designation. Okay, so this is the case here. Okay, now I can give you one homework. You are a student of class 12th of Mizo Senior Secondary School. Or while you lost your wristwatch in the school, draft a suitable notice board for the school notice board giving the full details of the watch, time and place. I think this is very easy. Again, you have to write the name of the school as it is given here, Mizo Public School. Then children, you have to write notice, and then you can write lost, lost, lost 3 times, and then all the students are hereby informed that I've lost my watch of Citizen Company with a brown color strap. It was having a square dial, okay, and my name was inscribed at the bottom of the watch, okay. Or you can write anything. A sticker of teddy bear has been put at the bottom of the watch dial, and then whoever find it will be given a suitable report. Okay, like this you can continue your notice. Kindly contact the undersigned, and you have to write your name at class and section. Okay. Now children, we are going to do one notice which is related with children related with sports. So one notice we will be doing which is related with sports. Okay, so children, there are many notice which is related with sports, NSS, NCC, or Red Cross camps or NCC camp. Okay, so one is you are Sonu oblique Sonali. One, this is related with sports only. You are Sonu oblique Sonali, sports secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. So children, you can see here the name of the institution is given here. You are Sonu oblique Sonali, sports secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board, asking students interested in playing hockey to give their names for selection in the school hockey team. Okay, so see the notice which I am reading. Your Sonu oblique Sonali, Sports Secretary of Maharani Public School. So children, here the name is there and the designation is given there, and the name of the school is also given there. Here, Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board, asking students interested in playing hockey to give their names for selection in the school hockey team, event date, time, eligibility criteria, etc. So Maharani Public School, Gwalior. So how you are going to write this notice, children? You have to write the name of the institution first. So what is the name of the institution mentioned here? It is Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Then you have to write notice. You have to write date here, 28 October. Then you have to write, children, you have to write the heading, and what heading you are going to write. So you have write the children heading also in the capital letter. You can see this three thing I have written with the capital letter. So selection in the school hockey team will be your heading. And now children, simply you will start your notice the way I have told you that. So children, once again I read your question. Your Sonu or Sonali, Sports Secretary of Maharani Public School, Gwalior. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board, asking a student interested in playing hockey to give their names for selection in the school hockey team, event, date, time, eligibility criteria, etc. So you have written the name of the institution. First you have to draw a box. You've drawn the box. You have to, in the first line you have to leave blank. Then children, you have written the name of the institution here. Of course, then you have to write notice here. Then 28 October 2020, the date like which you write in the letter. And then you have to write the heading. What have been you have written? Selection in the school hockey team. Children, remember your heading should be written in such a way that in the first glance only a person should know that what is this notice is about. A person should know that what is this notice is about. Okay, in the very first glance. So now children, here you can say the students for the school hockey team. All the students, the same manner you will start. All the students are hereby informed, okay, that the selection for the school hockey team will be made on 2nd November 2020 at 4 p.m. at the school ground. Those interested in playing hockey must give their names to the undersigned by 19th March. Selection will be made purely on performance on the field. Only the student of class 9th and to 12th are eligible for selection. So children, you have told the class also, okay, then the date when it is going to be held finally, okay. Everything is clear here. where the selection will be held, what is the last day for submitting the name. Okay, and selection will be made purely on performance on the field, on the, you can write on the, in the field of the school playground. Then only the students of, then the classes of which the student will be 9 to 12 are eligible for selection. And children, finally here after writing the notice, you have to write the Sonali or Sonu. Okay, and sports designation, you can write any sports designation like sports secretary. Now you have to close your box. Okay, so in this manner, children, we have written 3 types of notice. Notice related with today I've told you, notice related with lost, found, and notice related with sports. Now in my next video, I will be telling you some more important types of notice. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.